Hello, today we'll see responsibilities of consumer. See, already certain rights are given to the consumers. You have studied those rights. Suppose if you have not studied those rights, you can check my videos. I have one video on rights of consumer. You check out that video. There are certain rights for consumer, but then too it doesn't mean that right will protect to the consumers entirely. No, consumers are having certain responsibilities. For certain things, consumers are responsible. So here in this session, we'll see responsibilities of consumer for which only consumers are responsible. Let us begin. Number one, consumer should use their rights. So just now I told you that already rights are given for the consumers to the consumers. It is the responsibility of consumers to make use of their rights. See, खाना दिया हुआ है, आपके सामने खाना पड़ा हुआ है, खाना है या नहीं खाना है, that is your responsibility. आप नहीं खाते तो that is your responsibility. Doctor has already given you medicines, वो medicines आप नहीं खाते हैं, that is your responsibility. Book is already given to you, notes is already given to you, आप पढ़ाई नहीं करते हैं, then that will be your responsibility. In the same way, rights are given to the consumers. If consumers are not making use of their rights, for that only consumers are responsible. There is no other person. If consumers are not making use of their responsibility. Let us see next point. While buying goods and services, consumers should be cautious. While buying goods and services, consumer should be cautious. सी जब भी आप मार्केट में जाते हैं पोटैटोज परचेस करने के लिए या टोमेटोज परचेस करने के लिए, तो एक एक टोमेटोज को आप देखते हैं ना, एक एक टोमेटोज को घुमा घुमा के देखते हैं वेदर द टोमेटो इज गुड, या पोटैटोज लेने जाते हैं तो एक एक पोटैटोज को आप चेक करते हैं वेदर द क्वालिटी इज गुड. सो यू हैव टू बी कॉशियस इन दिस वे. इवन whenever you buy some service, you just check the quality of the service, you check review, market performance वो सर्विस का या फिर वो गुड्स का जो कि आप बाय करने जा रहे हैं. यू चेक द एंटायर परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ दैट गुड्स एंड देन ओनली बाय द प्रोडक्ट. If you are not becoming cautious towards quality, if you are not becoming cautious towards price, if you are not becoming cautious towards the performance of the product, if you are not becoming cautious, then you only will be responsible. Suppose if there is some fault occurs in the product, you only will be responsible, others won't be responsible. Otherwise you make use of your rights. Let us see next point, filing of complaints. Suppose wrong goods are sold to you, inferior quality goods are sold to you, or some other defective products are sold to you. Then it becomes your responsibility to lodge a complaint, to file a complaint to the concerned officer. It is your responsibility. If you are sitting quiet, if you sit quiet, then you will be responsible for the loss suffered by you. You should not make delay to file the complaints. You should not make delay to file the complaints. Otherwise, the warranty period will get over, right? वारंटी पीरियड खत्म हो जाएगा और फिर जाकर आप कंप्लेन करेंगे, देन nobody is there to hear you. Nobody will be there to listen you. So you should file the complaints to the concerned officer, to the concerned department before you get late, before it is get too late. So you will be the responsible if you are dealing. Let us see next point. Our next point is quality conscious. Before you buy any goods or any service, you just check the quality. There are certain standards fixed by government. You see that standard, you check that mark will make you sure that the quality of the product is good. You check those marks. You can see on this screen, these are some marks which ensures good quality of the product. So before you buy the product, you just check all these marks before you buy, and then only you spend money and buy the goods. Next point, be aware from exaggerate advertising. Exaggerate advertising means those advertisings where advertisers mix over. Mix over means they are telling something false regarding the product. Product के बारे में जो नहीं है, that they are telling. They are not telling reality. They are not telling real performance. That is exaggerated advertising. Mostly advertisers, producers, they exaggerate the quality of the product. They exaggerate the product, the performance of the product. That means they make use of overstatement regarding their product. जो product में नहीं होता है, जो reality नहीं होता है, वही advertising में शो करते हैं. आप तो रेगुलर टीवी देखते हैं, आपको तो पता होगा. What are they telling? Whether they are telling true, are they showing true picture? So कभी भी आप एड देखेंगे, you just try to understand कि क्या वो रियल परफॉर्मेंस है, whether it will give the same performance when you buy the goods. Okay, so be aware from all these kind of advertising. You make use of your own sense. That is your responsibility. Next point is demand of invoice, guarantee or warranty card. If you won't demand invoice, अगर आप गुड्स परचेस करते हैं, सर्विस परचेस करते हैं, बट आप बिल का डिमांड करते ही नहीं, then you only will be responsible. Suppose in future if some problem is occurred in the goods, तो कहाँ पे जाएंगे? आपके पास बिल होगा, then only you will go to the concerned shop and will tell them. Yes, but अगर आपके पास बिल है ही नहीं, then nobody is going to entertain you. आप गुड्स लेके यहाँ वहाँ घूमते रहेंगे और unnecessary you will fall in trouble, you will fall in problem, the loss you only have to suffer. So always demand for bill. आप में से कितने लोग बिल का डिमांड करते हैं? वेरी फ्यू. शायद से बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होंगे जो कि शॉप पे जाते बिल का डिमांड करते हैं. You should ask for guarantee or warranty if any. Basically guarantee and warranty is mostly applicable for durable goods like TV, fridge, furniture, mobile. Yes, मोबाइल से याद है, आप मोबाइल परचेस करते वक्त do you ask for the guarantee of headphone? Do you ask for the guarantee of battery? Because हेडफोन का सेपरेट गारंटी होता है और बैटरी का सेपरेट वारंटी होता है. यू मस्ट नॉट बी नोइंग दिस. सो यू शुड आस्क फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स. इफ यू डू नॉट आस्क then other cannot do anything. Government cannot do anything. No consumer organization can do anything. You will be responsible if you do not understand your responsibility. So be a responsible consumer. Always demand for invoice, guarantee और वारंटी कार्ड. मोबाइल अनबॉक्सिंग करते वक्त देखो उसमें वारंटी कार्ड होता है, मैनुअल बुक के साथ वारंटी कार्ड भी होता है. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. यू शुड चेक whether the warranty card is given in the product. Let's proceed for the next point. Our next point is pre-planned buying. Pre-planned buying means before you buy any goods or any service, you need to plan in detail. You need to plan before you spend money. Unnecessary you never spend your money. पैसा फ्री में आता है क्या? No, right? So you think several times. You just check the performance, check review, check the quality of the product, and then only you buy. Otherwise blindly I would suggest to you never spend money. Okay, you check everything before you spend money. आपको कार परचेस करनी है और आपको बाइक परचेस करनी है, तो पहले मार्केट में देखो उस कार का परफॉर्मेंस क्या है, वो बाइक का परफॉर्मेंस क्या है, वो मोबाइल का परफॉर्मेंस क्या है, वो सेलर कैसा है, उसका सर्विस कैसा है. You check everything. You talk to those person who have already bought that product. You talk to that person who have already enjoying the service of that company. You talk to those people and then only you buy the product, then only you spend money, because there are some services, there are many services in which once you spend money you won't get it back. आपने कोई सिम कार्ड परचेस किया बट उसका सर्विस प्रॉपर नहीं था, सर्विस क्वालिटी वाज नॉट गुड, विल यू गेट योर मनी बैक? रिचार्ज ऑलरेडी आपने करा दिया था बट सर्विस उसका अच्छा नहीं होने की वजह से क्या आप वापस से रिफंड डिमांड कर सकते हैं? नो. So that's why it is your responsibility, before you buy the product, you just check everything. That means uh, you plan in detail regarding the product before you buy. Hmm? Proceed for the next point, organized efforts. See, sellers are united, right? There is unity among sellers, but there is no any unity among consumers, right? There is no any unity. So consumers should be united. Consumers should join their union. More in numbers, the consumers more in number should join their union, should join their organization, so that that consumers organization will become stronger and can fight against any fraud seller, राइट? तो सारे कंज्यूमर्स को यूनाइट होने की जरूरत है, एक साथ आने की जरूरत है, जबकि सेलर का ऑलरेडी यूनियन है, दे आर ऑलरेडी यूनाइटेड, दे आर ऑलरेडी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, बट कंज्यूमर्स आर नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. सो the consumers, all consumers need to put together effort to form their organization, to make the organization strong. So these are some responsibilities for which consumers are responsible. There is no other person who will be responsible for these things. So here I have completed everything. Thank you for today's class.